Yo, back with part 4. As usual, let me check that the live is on. I don't know when it will start, probably like in a few seconds. Yep. Yo. Okay, the sound is on, so we are good. So let's begin. Stack canaries. Stack canaries are simple. At the beginning of the function, a random value is placed on the stack. I think I said like there is a canary random value that if it is overwritten, it will essentially crash the program. Before the program executes return, the current value of that variable is compared to the initial. If they are the same, no buffer overflow has occurred. If they are not, the attacker attempted overflow to control the return pointer and the program crashes, often with stack smash detected error message. On Linux, stack canaries end with 00. This is so that null terminate any string in case you made a mistake when using print function, but also makes them much easier to spot. Okay, how to bypass canaries? There are two ways: leaking it. It is quite broad and will differ from binary to binary, but the main aim is to read value. The simplest option is using format string. If it is present, the canary, like other variables, is on the stack. If we can leak values of the stack, it's easy. Yeah, that sounds pretty fair. Like before. In the cut out.she, in the previous one we used let me execute it, %x like gave us the value. If we did %p, it gave us like the hex, and if we did %n, it was for this caused a segmentation fault. And we use the %n because it works like a pointer, and essentially we made it point to where we wanted, and it overrode the let's $6 n. The auth is 0, isn't it? It's not 0, but anyhow it should be 6 or 7. It might be 7. Dollar and no, this caused a segmentation error. Or was it a p? Dollar, no, $7 p. No, anyways, this is how we did it. Let me check it like quite fastly. 7. So it was 7. 7 with these. And what else? Okay. So in this program, the main function calls the vuln. The vuln initializes a buffer, prints leak me. We can put anything we want in the buffer. It prints the buffer. Then it prints like nothing, then it prints overflow me, and then again gets the buffer. And if we can actually call the wins, it prints the message we won. There's a simply it gives you a format string vulnerability, then above buffer overflow vulnerability. The format string we can use to leak the canary value. Then we can use the value to override the canary with itself. This way we can overflow past the canary but not trigger the check as the value remains constant. And of course we can have to run the win. Let's download it, clear rmall, move from the downloads, what was the name, canary? Yes, here, unzip the canary and cut the source.c. Again, same thing. This is gonna be the 32. You can also do the 64. And if we execute the vol 32, leak me, let's say ASD, an overflow ASD, nothing will happen. If we like put large some number like this and maybe this, it like says stack smash detected. This triggered the canary. If we check the vuln 32, we see that canary is enabled and NX is enabled. Let's first check the canary. Oh, he did the same thing. Yep, there it is. Now we can calculate at what offset the canary is, and to do this we'll use radar. Okay, I will use pawn debug to be different. Why not? Info functions, and what will he do? He will break where and why this vuln. He will break here at the print, be at this, and then continue. Okay, so we run lick me %.p. It will call the printf, and if we x over 20 x over x, let's say ESP, no, x over s, no, x over I maybe. This is just the command. X over b, I think, maybe. Yes. But why is this useful? X over 20b. We are at this moment at this breakpoint. We can see EX has this, and ESP has %p. Yeah. The last value there is in the canary, which is the last value there is in the canary. We can tell because it's roughly 64 bytes after the buffer starts. What? 0804 91 90 F. You know which one is it? Let's do over S. It's here, so it is 8C. So the B might not be like big enough. Is it with a B? No, this was with the S. With the B it should be like this. What? Let's do again 20. What the frick? Int ends. Okay, let's just check it if I can see it. If it's this or this. Okay, the stack pointer has this at 8C, CC, FF, okay, it's 01. So this is the stack canary, probably, which should be closed at the end of the buffer. Additionally, it ends in 00. So it might be this. but this is close to this. 9 E9 9E. Okay. If we count the number of addresses, around 24. I did only 20, so it might be none of them. Okay, so break at this, then run, then percentage p, and then x over L250b the ESP. What? Genuinely confused. X over S and X over I, X over B things for, yeah, it's for binary, finally. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, so it's 8, 24. So this is the 24th. Additionally, it ends with 0, 0 and looks very random, unlike the libc and stack addresses that start with F7 and FF. If we count the number of addresses, it's around 24 until that value. I'm still utterly confused. This is the FF, this looks normal. It appears at X, I will do X over B. Okay, let's run it and do $23 P, $24 P, and $25 P. Okay, it just wants me to run it by itself. Sure. /vol percentage 20. Let's just copy and paste. It's faster. Okay. I'm not getting the nil. I think it's not in line. The nil nil in se null pointer. It's a pointer to null object. Okay. So what am I doing wrong now? Again. To be more specific. Some water. Again, 24 gives me the P. So the P value is this. Should be this. If you count the number, it's around 24. 0. If it's this, then yeah. It is like, wait. 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, and 24. And if it is like, if it's this, then yes. It does make sense if it's this one. It appears to be unlike the Lipsian stack, yes. If we count, why is it's exact same values. Okay, what? I'm still a little confused. Is someone watching? That's new. I probably know which one is it though. Just say hi if you want. Please, someone help me. P is equal process dot slash vuln. Nice, vuln 32. Then it's log dot info p dot clean. And then we send for some reason the 23rd, and why not the 25th though? I'm still confused about that. Did I not write that file? Solve.py. Okay. I don't know. Okay, so 23, of course. Then the canary itself is going to be the integer of p dot receive line and 16, and it will print success if the canary is found, and its value will be in hex, and the canary itself. And let's see if this will work. Oh yeah, forgot to close it. Classic. Okay, it printed out the value of the canary. Why is it that different though? It's actually randomly generated, so it makes sense, but okay, let me like quit, open it again, disas vuln, break at this print, run it, percent that's $23 p, percent that's $24 p, percent that's $25 p. Oh no, I missed the second one. This dollar p, $25 p. Now I need to see the value x over 20p, the stack pointer, please in hex. Nice. It needs to be actually over 20, maybe 50. 50 is probably enough. And is it the same? 02 FFFF. 02 FFFC. Same, that's probably not the canary itself. So which one is the canary? Okay, so the program found the canary. How? We sent this 23p, so it's before that. So it's probably this one. Probably. Wait, how many is it? 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's a whole line. So it's this line. But it's kind of weird. Is it not? 08? Is it? Let me like save this and check the previous one. 070, 0XDA, 0FFF. Again, it's the exact same thing. If I run again, will it? No, it's different. The canary should be actually different because it's randomly generated. But where can I find it? Is it like after this? Let's do 100. No. Again, let me like save it for 1 sec. And let's go outside again. Let's run it. This has the vulnerable function. Then we break at this, run it, print 23 percentage p 24 no dollar p and $25 p. Nice. And let's again x over, let's do 10i the ESP, and now let's do it with b, not there. Nice. And now let's add a 0. Let's close this up. Same. So this is the same thing. Also same thing. 02. Also same thing. 70, 20, 25. Same thing. Why is it that same? Is it this? But I think that's way too late. It said here it is after 24. It's roughly 64 bytes after the buffer start. It's around 24 until the value. So this is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 24. So this is the 24th. Or wait, is it? Or is it like this? If it's like this, it's 1, 2. So it needs to be 12 lines. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it should be around here. So this should be this canary. Which actually appears to be true. Okay, let's save this as well. And in this. Let's repeat this process. I should actually make a script. Although I'm just doing this for testing purposes. What was successful? This be at this run. $23 P, $24 P, and $25 P, and X over 10i and the stack pointer, and let's do again 100B, and it should be different, and it's true. So this is probably the canary. I would bet, at least. I think so. If it's not that, I'm not sure what is it. Python 3, the solve. Yeah, it's always 0, 0, so it's 100% this one. Yeah, this is the canary. Yep. I mean, it said it, that it starts with 0, 0, but yep. Yeah, it ends in 0, 0. So this is the ending. So this is the ending, because it goes in reverse. If this is 24, this 23, 22, 21, what is this? What is this? 0, 0, B4. This is also the same, so it's not that. Okay, let's continue, move on. It licks the canary. Now all that's left is work out what the offset is until the canary, and then the offset from after the canary to the return pointer. He breaks again. Pawn debug. It's it. I'm kind of curious about something. X over example help X. Help X. So it's binary float address instruction, character string, and Z. Okay, let's try the Z. I'll do like 25Z because I think it's too much. No, it's definitely not that. X over X. What's so what I'm trying to do is like try to make this in one instead of in like being separated, but I don't think it will work. So let's again move on. He breaks, like to make it appear like this. We see the canary is at the offset this. Or does he say that? A little later on the return pointer we assume is at 0x again. Let's break just after the next gets. So he's after the overflow me. Dot slash vul lick me. So in the lick he did nothing different, and then he did that. Let's just break after the next gets. Okay, so let's break. Actually, disassemble the vul. And since this is the first, this is the second, he says before or after. Let's break just after the gets. The first or the second, after the next gets. So after this, so I break at this. Why I have a viewer? Can you please type something so I don't feel that alone? Where was I got distracted by my thoughts. Yeah, so we break here, then we continue. We are at the overflow me. I should have done the cyclic. Let's open again pawn the back at the vuln and do cyclic 100. Boom. And close this up. And need to find the last value, which was what? It hits breakpoint, yes, exactly. And he wants to print FC. FC is the canary. Oh, I didn't see the canary on this program. Oops. Or did I? I did. It was this. So it's 0x, just this. So this, which corresponds to 0x76, ED D000. Okay, and he does what with that? He prints, so x over, let's do 20x, cannot access, huh? Why didn't it that? Am I going crazy? Now we can check the canary and the instruction pointer offsets. Oh, yeah. Let's check this one. X over 20x at this, which is FBB400. Is he not? No, it's not 0010. So this is not the canary. We see the canary is that. The canary is that. It's not the carry itself. How did he see that though? Oh, this is the canary, and the location of the canary is the one after. If it's the one after, don't have it. So it should be this, even though it does not look like it's this. And if it's not, I will try this, and if it's not, I don't know. So it was F7, FB, B400. Okay, this works. This exists, so this might be actually the address. And what do we see here? At this address, it should actually show the overflow. So it's probably not this. Maybe it's this. I will not put my hand on fire, but 0x f7 d7 7b10. At least it existed. Still no. The reason I'm saying no is because it's supposed to look like 450, 51, 51, 51, 52 or something like this. 41, something with 40, 50s or something. But we see like zeros and others, so it's not that. So which one is it? That's the confusion. Again, let's x over the ESP. I will do 200 now. And it's overflown. Actually, we can see it starts from here. This is like the AAA, this is BAAA, CAAA, etc. Did it even overflow the canary? So I said it's 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It did overwrite it. It was supposed to be somewhere here. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it should be this. Do I see that somewhere here? F. At the beginning. Well, that's nice. We can see it at the beginning. So if I if I do x over 20i this, or x or s, or I don't need to do like that much. X over just s. No. We get the sequence that it's broken, and if we do cyclic tassel this, we see it's at the offset 60. So if we go again at the nanosolve.py, I can use the offset and give it the value 60. And what do I do now? His is 64. Why 64? and he does the payload as BFA. I will do times of set, and I will do then payload plus equal p32, the canary, the address of the canary, then payload plus equals p32, b of a times 12 to pad. Oh, this is for this stack alignment or the padding. This is probably padding. And then payload plus equals p32 0x. And why that in particular? Oh, this is the win, probably. The SAS win. Yes, this is the win. Forgot we had the win. And p dot clean. And p dot send line the payload. And print p dot clean dot. I will not use the code for now. And let's do solve smashed. It's definitely not the code. I'll just do it now. No, do it later. I'll let in one. And if I do this as 64, will this work? That's true. Nice. Okay, we won. Let's see if I remove this. Probably it will not affect it. Yep, it's just like it's shown like a little cleaner here. And the reason I'm curious is why is it 64? Wait. Oh, it is 60. Then we will do this. Those are like, this is the 64th. Then this is where the canary is gonna be. And then there is like one. Actually, that's 4, 8. What am I doing? So it goes to here. This should be the canary around here. Then 64. Okay, so this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 12. That it doesn't make sense. I'm just playing with my mind. I'm kind of confused on why it's this way. Like this is like the 60 offset. So why would do it like 64? We did like here, the canary. I don't think it was here. Wait, is it 1, 2? This is like 1, 2 times 12, so it's 24. What? Okay, plus 12 might actually be like for the rows, But why the 64? This offset is 64. W, it's for the W, so it says it's this one. And I'm kind of curious why. Wait, no. It still doesn't make sense. Same circle, same approach, just try to solve before checking the solution. Brute forcing the canary, this is possible on 32 and sometimes unavoidable. It's not, however, feasible on 64. As you expect, the idea is to run the process. Oh, it's kind of different. Okay. I mean, I don't even understand the 32 to do the 64. I get it, but I don't get this part. Like, why is it 64? And why the padding after? This I understand. This I understand. I don't understand why it's 64 exactly. Because to me it was 60. And if I do like 60, it will not work. Like what? Didn't work, it's just smash detected. And if I do like 65, it's gonna be the same thing. So it needs to be exactly 64. And then why the padding? If I don't have the padding, will this still work? Or it will like... It didn't. So we need the padding. What if it was smaller? It probably will not work since it's needed, so let's do it like 10. No. Dot slash full percentage $23 p. It gives me this. Is this the stack canary? Yes. It actually might be $23 p. Yeah, this is the stack canary. That's why that was the 23. Okay, who is watching? Someone is just trolling me. It was 23 for that exact reason. The canary was that value. And the next one, the 24, was the percentage p that we sent. So again, why 64? like it was this. Then there were 4 null. Okay, I want to like rerun it. This as phone, and I want to break at this and this, and continue run. Percentage $23 P for the canary, $24 P, and $25 P. If I x over I ESP and then do like 200, so this or this, where is the canary? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's this. And below this then should be the x over s f9 be14. So this should print percentage p. Exactly. What? So if this is the canary, oh, is this? Not that whole thing, this thing only. FF CF94. Okay, definitely not this. So what is it? Honestly, I just want to move on. I think it's not small though. It has some meat. Oh my god. I'm already tired and I have barely started. Amazing, isn't it? And there is so much to do. And I have understood even less than I wanted to do. Amazing. I will have to like review it tomorrow. Tomorrow there might not be a live stream. I shall think about it. And I want to like see them again, like take my time, like ask myself why this works doesn't work. But for now, let's like actually let's do anything else. Let's chill a little bit. What's a site that we can visit? Not Hack the Box, not Google. Where are some free challenges that we can try? Free CTF. Hacker 101. I'm not gonna log in. Oh, let's do over the wire or over the wire. It's been a while. I haven't like completed any of them. I have like done some of the bandit, like 23, 24 of them. Oh, Narnia has an intro to binary exploitation. Let's see if I learned anything at all. Narnia is a word game that has been rescued from the demise of the TrueNet, previously hosted on Narnia. To big thanks to ADC, Marla, and Red for their help in resurrecting this game. What follows below is the original description of Narnia copied from Intruder, okay? Okay. Let's do it, I guess. So, let me remember how to use SSH. SSH at Narnia 0 at this dash P2226. Yes. And Narnia 0. Oh yeah, man. CD slash Narnia. Let's cut Narnia 0.c. This program is yes, okay. Okay, so this is the library. This the main function, it gets like AAAA and has a buffer 20. The correct value from AAA should be 0x.bif. Here is your chance. It scans for 24 characters. That's a mistake. Prints. Check if the value is 0x.bif. Else it says way off. Okay, so let's do Narnia 0. Here's your chance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I'm way off, but we can see that we have overridden the last one. If we do it like regularly, it's gonna be like the same thing. I think there are two ways, either with Echo or with Python. Is there Python 2? Python? Only Python 3. Python 3-C. Print A times 20 plus \x EF \x B \x AD \x DE and save it as like slash etc slash payload, and I forgot the bees. It's be here and be here for bytes. I forgot to close it. Here permission denied, so that the home directory as payload. Also permission denied. Can I pipe it? I'm not sure. Let's test it out, I guess. Narn./Narnia 0. Nope. So it was a thing with echo, backslash NE, I think. Let's man echo, do not output, and disable interpretation, maybe. If I echo backslash N and E, the backslash X dead, and if I did like regularly, okay, what about just backslash N or backslash E? Backslash E, just backslash E. And can I do A times 20 plus? Nope. We'll have just to print it out. So let's use Python 3 print A times 20. So I will print this plus this. What? Okay. If dead beef so this should, whoa. So this should probably be it, and pipe this into Narnia 0. Yeah. You did print it correctly. Why did I not get though the sh8s? Should have given me bin sh8s. X dead beef. It should be correct. I want to try with backslash n. Pawn tools it is. Okay. Oh, did it in it was should have been temporary. Nanosolve.py. Okay, from pawn import all, and p is equal process. No, it was slash Narnia 0, and payload's gonna be b of a times 20. Payload plus equals p34. I didn't see it. I will check it. And 0x dead beef. P dot send line payload, and is what system.info log.info p.clean, and this should work. Sol.py. Correct value. Here's your chance value. Yeah. What's wrong? I'm doing something wrong and I don't even know what I'm doing wrong. Narnia. File Narnia 0. It is 32. Oof, yeah. Okay. Oh. Nano show.py. I need to make p interactive. p.interactive. Who am I? Yep, I got the cell. That was the issue. Yeah, that was the first challenge. Let's go to the second. Oh, what was the command? Sys dot. Oh, I don't remember it. It was for the cell to look at better. Yeah, I'm going back to this. CD Narnia. Okay, cat Narnia 1. What? Let's see. What? Okay. Let's maybe I remembered it. Python 3 does say import p2y p2y dot spawn. I think that's definitely not it. p2y. Which one was it? It was not live overflow. Oh my god, give me 1 second. I'm stuck at the name of 0xdf. 0xdf. Seeds. No. Home. Where Where is the P2I? It's not this. I'm stuck. He had like one where he explained it. Import P2Y. Yes, this one. Oh, you need to put a question mark. You need to close this and put the question mark here. And maybe this. Oh, did I crash it? I might have crashed it. Excuse me for a second. I'm not really sure what's not working. Let me okay, let me kill this, clear this, and try to access the machine again. Narnia 0 cd slash temporary python 3.sol.py. Nice. And I need to find the password of it, but where do I find the password? From 0 to 1 there is nothing. From 1 to 0 also there is nothing. It is, he says that you need to solve them on their own. Yeah, I understand it. The issue is I don't have like a complete cell. I do have actually a cell. If I say who am I, I'm actually like Narnia 1. But I'm still kinda like confused on why I cannot access the file, this file. Why can I not cut it? It just prints nothing. Wait, Narnia 0. Not the movie. Narnia 0. What's the question? Narnia 1 password. Yes. Enter the following password. Where does he see the password? I don't remember where the passwords are. There is like a place where they are. CD. PWD. CD. Narnia 1. ls-la. Still no password. Where is the password? There was like a file that had the password, but I don't remember that file. Can I actually like run it? Just run the next one. Dot / Narnia 1. Nope. So even though I have access, I can't. No, let's see how the others are solving it. Yeah, he uses DDB. Oh, it is etc. Okay, so cat / etc. / password / Narnia 1. What? cd / etc. ls cd password Narnia pass cd Narnia pass and cat Narnia 1. Yep. So now I exit and now we move on like this. Nice. cd / Narnia ls cat Narnia 1.c. Okay, so it initializes a pointer to egg. It will get an environment egg. So it will give me something to execute as the environment variable. Try to execute egg. I think in Pawn Tools there is like the egg, the get env. I want to try something. Narnia 1 AA. Okay, so in Pawn Tools there is the env, not this env, the env variable. Okay, it's not in this. Pawn Tools and variable. Not this. I'm sure there is one. It exists. I have seen it. Just don't remember exactly the code. No. It's not. Is it here? Anywhere? My eyes are kinda in pain. Jesus. Too many computer hours. It is, I think, get env, the exact command. Get env. Get env. cd / temporary. None of this previous solve. This is now for the one. I can comment those out. And I can just do environ address equals p dot get env. It wants egg. And yeah, I think that's it. Yep. What? Okay, let's just copy it. Nope. None. What the frick? And Python. What the frick? Is there like a specific thing from pawn? Import all p equals process dot argv is equal to nothing. Does it change anything? It doesn't just need a space. What? Delete, I guess. I will try actually the what he does log dot just this, although it shouldn't change anything. Shouldn't and is not the same thing. P.can dot it has a problem. Nope. Okay, it's not. It's. Let's just search getenv. It's literally a separate command. And getenv in Python. So it's probably a lot easier than I did it. So I need to import the OS and I will do os.getenv. The address, okay, let's again comment this out. Okay, I got an off, meaning end of file. So give me something to execute. Again, I am trying to get this, but I don't want the OS to do it. I want it in a process. Python process. Returns the value of the environmental variable key, if it exists. I mean, theoretically I did it now, or maybe I don't even have to like assign it to anything. Nope, off, still off. I really need some coffee, but it's way too late to drink some coffee. Oh, it exists somewhere here. how many? It's 400 pages. Get env. Okay. Reads, yeah. Reads an environmental variable of the stack and returns its address. So I need to do this. No? Wait. Maybe I don't need this. Maybe I will do the p is equal elf of this. I will delete this. I will delete this as well. Will it? No. Context dot what was it? Context. Not that. Not that. What was it? I forgot. Nope. I'm starting to forget and I don't like that. Context binary. Binary. And now this is the issue. It's the... Again, why is that an issue? Let me actually like... Process has no attribute, but it does. Is it this? Still no. Okay, thank God it was not that. Months. Okay. So there is a conflict somewhere. Why when I need something I cannot find it? It's pawn get env. Pawn tools get env. So someone has nope. Reverse engineering Lua. Ugh. Oh. That's funny. So P is equal to the process. Yes. And then he does, yeah. And he does hex for that. Again, what? Wait, let's cut slash Narnia and Narnia1.c. Okay. So like doing that, just like using getenv does not give me the what's called the bin assets. So I need, when this is called the return, I will need to override it with what's called I will need to override it with the bin assets. Okay. First step is to actually make this work. No. It is tubes. Where is tubes? I saw tubes. It's this. Get another. You need a variable. Oh. So you need something more? So the process might need to have argv is equal to nothing. Now this creates another error, but what if it was this comma this and we deleted this line? Didn't work before. The process, oh this needs to be in this to work. Think? No? Oh my god. Not this. Or was it? I will do this eventually. Context binary, yeah. Process, sending the payload, unpacking. I don't I have heard about this, have not never done them. Like I realize now that I have only done some very basic stuff and I'm liking a lot. So this is good to at least try and learn. Um, where did I see it? Bundles with args. Target, arg. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. It's here. It's just here. I don't need it to put there. I just can do it like here. And I can do comma n is equal to egg. Maybe I can even delete like the second one. Okay, what? Those two are like separate. Context.binary is gonna be equal to the elf from Lord of the Rings. I'm getting crazy by the minute. There, are you happy now? Why do you hate me that much? Let's just get this done first, I said. Okay, I will just put 2a. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? And getting this error. I lasted way too long without help. My pale. Oh, what? Not this. My payload, let's just do ls. Huh. Slash bin sh. Okay, at least that's progress. Maybe I need to construct the payload is gonna be ASM. So it like before thing was him and was at the end. Or was it not him? Who was it? So what might be this one? Yes. Okay. And let's do p dot interactive. Still Narnia one. My brain is not functioning. Thank God he left. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Back in another day.